How to save one-time photo on Instagram, full explanation. Have you ever received a one-time or disappearing photo on Instagram and wondered if there's a way to save it? Many users search for this, but the truth can be confusing. In this video, I'll clearly explain how one-time photos work on Instagram and what options you legitimately have without breaking Instagram's rules. Welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll talk about Instagram's disappearing photos, why they can't be saved, and the correct alternatives you can use if the photo is important. First, let's understand what a one-time photo is. On Instagram, when someone sends a photo in view once or allow replay mode, it's designed to protect privacy. A one-time photo disappears immediately after being viewed and cannot be opened again. Now let's answer the big question. Can you save it? The simple and honest answer is no. Instagram does not allow saving one-time or disappearing photos after they've been opened. There is no official setting inside Instagram to download or store these images. So what can you do instead? The first and safest option is to ask the sender. If the photo matters, request the sender to resend it as a regular photo or post it in the chat normally so it can be saved. The second option is to be careful before opening future disappearing photos. When Instagram shows a view once label, make sure you're ready to view it properly, because once it's gone, it's gone. The third option is from the sender side. If you're sending photos and want the receiver to save them, don't use view once mode. Send them as normal photos so they remain accessible. Here's an important pro tip. Instagram notifies the sender if you try to take a screenshot of disappearing photos. So attempting screenshots or screen recording may alert the sender and can also violate Instagram's usage rules. To summarize, one-time or disappearing photos on Instagram cannot be saved after viewing. This is a built-in privacy feature designed to protect users. The only legitimate solution is asking the sender to resend the photo in normal mode. If this guide helped you understand how Instagram disappearing photos work, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more easy how-to tutorials, and comment below. Have you ever lost an important disappearing photo?